Well, hello! I made it back. I figured if I film during the week, I'll do like quick makeup looks. Plus it'll get me back into wearing makeup for the week. I'm gonna try out this Koki Original Soft Touch Veil Perfecting Poreless Primer. It says it primes and perfects. It's supposed to blur too. I have my moisturizer on and things like that. So I think I'm gonna hit it up with this double serum by Clarins. I'm gonna let me get the double serum by Clarins off my hands, and then we're gonna try to open up this Koki primer. Looks like that. I'm gonna use one of these BK Beauty 116 to apply it. Alright, that was different. I don't see much blurring. First time using it though, so. Bringing back the Estée Lauder Double Wear Sheer Wear Makeup. I think the issue I run into with foundations is that when I look at them, they're wet. So I need to let them have a little bit of a dry down time before I make my decision about it. But I remember that I did like this foundation. I'm using shadow sticks for the eyes. This is Fenty Set on Taupe. It's a sparkle. Thought it was a matte. Gonna clean off my brush a little bit because I'm gonna put bronzer, cream bronzer in my crease. Let's see. I have the Hoola Wave, the original, the cream bronzer. I'm not sure I like this. I think I'm applying it wrong. I think I need to pat it. It looks okay. I mean, it goes on sheer, and that's what you want a bronzer to do. I don't know. I'm not sure. Put a little bronzer in my crease. I always love that color corrector by Charlotte Tilbury. It's my second one that I bought. This concealer is decent. Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow. It's decent. I'm gonna use this Kaja cranberry cooler. These stay, I would say, 4 hours, 5 hours, but then you have to reapply again. It is a nice formula. I know I look a little weird. I'm gonna put on some mascara. And, oh, a lip. What kind of a lip should we do? I got this in my BoxyCharm Ipsy. It's Dibs Desert Island Beauty Status. Oh, Desert Island. What color is this? 1987. It's like a brown. It's a lip gloss. It's a nice brown. I have tons of lip glosses. This one's okay. It gets kinda, sometimes it gathers at the top. It's just okay, Dibs. I know everyone's going crazy, but I think it's over their cream blushers and bronzers. I don't know. Eventually I'll try them. I have a feeling they'll show up in Ipsy. They usually do. That's why I hang on to Ipsy, is because a lot of these brands end up showing up in it. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.